And I want to start where I always start, which is our mission. Our mission to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more, to collectively come together to address the needs of these 4 digital transformational outcomes: empowering employees, engaging customers, optimizing operations, and changing the very product or service and business model. That's truly the North Star for us as an ecosystem. We will thrive if we do our best to work in addressing the customer needs across these 4 outcomes by industry, by geography. We have taken all of the learning in the last couple of years as we have gone about trying to impact these outcomes and learning from it, and use that to change, in fact, how we build our products, how we bring these products together into solutions, how we change even the business model and the go-to-market and the partner motions around it. So we will bring all of what we do across Microsoft into 4 solution areas: modern workplace, business applications, applications and infrastructure, data and AI. These 4 solution areas act as the ingredients in every one of these digital outcome projects, digital outcome endeavors of our customers. So the rest of my talk, rest of this conference, is for us to dig deep into this framework, understand the connective tissue of what it means to bring the solution together, what service lines, what IP, what capability you need in order to drive growth as we come together to address the customers. You need a common rich data model. You need a workflow engine that can operate consistently across all of your business applications. That's the modern world of business applications. And that's what is behind us building Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and LinkedIn into this one connected graph, one connected system with a consistent extensibility model. That's the richness that we think is going to create tremendous opportunity for all of you as partners, but most importantly, it will be transformative for our customers. We celebrate not our technology, but we celebrate the success our customers have using the technology we create. That's what perhaps defines us most uniquely as an ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you found this informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Business Applications YouTube. There you will find more videos on customer success, Dynamics 365, the Power Platform, and Microsoft AI. To navigate there directly, visit aka.ms/businessapplications YouTube.